Nothing says I love you like a little bit of home maintenance, am I right? If a little spring cleaning is your jam like it's mine, then now is the perfect time to get started. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and here are our February home maintenance checklists to make sure and get those juices flowing as we go into spring. First, freshen your inner paint, cabinets, walls, doors, and trim for those perfect clean looks as we go into spring and summer. Second, clean and reorganize your laundry room so it's clutter-free and more efficient. These tend to be a catch-all room for packages, backpacks, sporting equipment, and just all that extra. Third, clean the air duct that connects the back of your dryer to your outside vents. This is a huge safety item. 4, clean the refrigerator condenser coils on the back or the bottom of your appliance. 5, clean the range filter and fan on your range hood. 6, clean and degrease your kitchen cabinets right above your cooktop. 7, clean the garbage disposal by running crushed ice through it to sharpen it, and then follow up with baking soda and citrus peels for that clean, fresh smell. 8, vacuum the box springs and mattress on the top and bottom, then rotate and flip it. 9, check the caulking and grout around your sinks, showers, and tubs, making repairs as needed. 10, inspect the roof with either a friend or by hiring a local company, which is the one I suggest, to make sure there's no missing shingles or damaged boot vents, in addition to damaged gutters from the winter ice. 11, check the foundation for any cracks that may be causing issues as we go into spring, as well as additional dirt you may need to bring in for that proper drainage away from your foundation. And 12, check your carbon monoxide and smoke detectors, replacing those batteries as needed. Now, keeping your home beautiful is a year-round endeavor, so curious about other home improvements or tips, then make sure to subscribe. In the meantime, we look forward to bringing you more Kansas City neighborhood adventures as well as tips, and we'd love to see what you've been up to in your neck of the woods for home improvements, updates, or just curious of values. We're happy to bring that your way as well.